How to download videos of Triller app on your iPhone. Simply open the app, then select the video that you like, and beside the video you can search for a video, or if the video pops up on your feed automatically and that's the video you like, simply click on the video. Then the three dots that you see in the bottom right hand corner, click on that, then click on share and give it a second to load. Then clear that. You give it permission. I have to give it permission so it can go into photos, read and write. Yeah. I'll go back to the app. Sorry about the pause. Alright, simply click on the three dots on the bottom right hand corner, then click on share and give it a second to load up. Then click on download video, the arrow that's pointing down, and you can see it's creating the video, it's loading the video. And that's it. The video will be saved to your photo album. As you can see, success. If I should go into photos, I'll see the video. As you can see, there's the video.